Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you can see okay. I've been trying to find the best light without a big glare. So I am back really quick with my 9th entry to my challenge, and this comes from CraftieJjNewton, who is CraftieJjNewton here on YouTube. And so I just cut this open, have not opened it yet. Oh, okay. Oh, she sent me some pretty napkins. This one and this one. I don't have any of this, so I may have to do something with that. Very pretty, Jackie. Thank you very much. Okay, and so here is her card. Let's see. She wrapped this up with a napkin too, and I think I can use it. Oh. Oh, very pretty. Okay. So isn't this a pretty napkin for fall? I'm sorry if there's a shadow on it. It's late at night. I just got through with my live feed, and let's see if it helps. I don't know. Anyway, I just got through with my live feed, and we did my art journal. I'm going to show that to you in a few minutes. So she sent me this card. Count your blessings, laughed often. Isn't that pretty? There you go, and do it without the glare. And it's blank inside, so I can use it again. How sweet. Thank you, Jackie. And then she sent me a little paper clip, a little blingy thing on there. Isn't that cute? And what in the... It's in here. Oh, how cute. Oh, I saw her pick this up and I thought to myself, oh, that is the cutest little brat ever. I said, I want that. And look. Isn't that cute? I saw her all that. On the back of it, she's got Donna. Thank you. I love it. And then she sent me some little bow. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much, Jackie. And I'm already seeing her little passport stamps. They're so cute. She messaged me or left me a comment saying that she didn't know if she did it right, so she would do it over. And I was like, no, I don't think so. Y'all, look how she packaged this. Isn't this cute? But look, this has an extra little flap back here. And she sent me some cotton legs, trim. And oh, look how lovely that is. See if I can get it back here. Isn't that pretty? It's like a ribbon or something. It looks like a ribbon running through. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Jackie. I will definitely be using that. I love any opportunity I get to work with lace and fabrics and stuff. And so, and that's a great little packaging tip. I like that. And I like reusing my little booms. Oh, I have this paper, this little paper in here. Isn't that cute? I think I have a little tiny sheet left of it. But here is her stamp. And this is beautiful. Look at that. How pretty is this? So she's got a little piece of ribbon up here with this bird on it. And I love this stamp. This is one of my favorite stamps from the Dollar Tree. And then she used a piece of lace across here and made a little bow and put a cute little button right in the middle of it. That is so cute, Jackie. And she's got her information on here. Her YouTube channel is CraftieJjNewton. And if you haven't checked her channel out, you need to go over and do so. And then she wrote Isaiah 9:6. Well, I'll have to look that up. But her style is shabby vintage. All styles make me happy. Her favorite colors are black, blue, pink, and green. Boy, that's from one end of the color spectrum to the other. She loves candy, M&M peanuts, anything with nuts. And she said, I love lace, homemade flowers, and cards. Love swaps of any kind. Thank you so much, Jackie. So, you are going into the book. I got my glue right here. left over from crafting tonight if I can get the sticky stuff off the top of it. And you are entry number 9. Thank you so much. Y'all remember the passbook that I made? Well, I wound up just using a pamphlet stitch to sew the pages in. I'm gonna cover this up because it's got information on it. And I just left this string long right here because I'm gonna put like a little charm on it. So yeah, I just sewed it in the middle because that little sewing machine that I got from Walmart that somebody gave me for $5 or whatever, it don't work. It does not sew paper at all. And I don't know if I'm going to glue this in or not, Jackie. I was going to try. But anyway, but you're going right here, number 9. Put your little stamp right there. That is going to be so cute. So I got you in there. Thank you so much, Jackie, for entering and for the extra little goodies. I told y'all that's not necessary. But it is appreciated, especially lace trim. One of these days I'm going to get to my lace book. I have so many projects I want to try because I'm so inspired by so many of you. Lollapalooza inspires me all the time. She always comes up with something that gets me in trouble because I just have to try it. So then I have entry number 10, and this is from Kuhn. And she's one of my newer subscribers and newer persons. I met her through Trace, who is TFriday77. Oh, look at this. Is this not cute? Little folder. It's coffee. Is this a die, Pat? Because if it is, I want some. I want to know what to do. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, this must be a die. Look how cute this is. She's got Celebrate 1500. It's got an Eiffel Tower, and it's that little stamp die. Oh, that is so cute. You know I love it. And then she has these little folder. This is adorable. So her name is Pat Kuhn. Her birthday's in December. Yeah, Jackie, I don't think you told me your birthday. Her YouTube is Pat Kuhn, her name. And she's from Pennsylvania. Her style is colorful. No, she's got style is, and then you left it blank. Color purple. Have been a Subbie a couple of days. Yes, you have. Look at, look at the color on the back. I hate to glue that in. But this is just adorable. Thank you so much, Pat. And I'm so glad you're a Subbie. And please let me know if this is a die or what it is, because I want some of these. This is cute. What a cute little, you could make a cute little gift card holder out of that. Or like you did to protect your passport stamps when you're mailing them. Stick these in there. That is so cute. But Pat, you are entry number 10. Thank you so much. You're a new subscriber, and you've just you've been really supporting my channel, and I really appreciate it. So yours is in there now too. As soon as I get it glued and get the glue working. So this book is full. Yay! I have filled one book up. So I'm looking forward to. I've had some other people tell me today that they have mailed off their entry. And I just love this. I love that little coffee thing. So thank you guys so much. And before you go, I wanted to show you my art journal. Because I don't know if it's YouTube or what, but I have my mirror image thing turned off my camera. It doesn't do that on my phone. I mean, when I'm filming. But it's doing it while I am doing lives. And I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, this is my art journal cover that I did tonight. I just cut out some letters and I got the word arting. And then this image right here is a copy image of this right here. And this came out of my little junk journal kit from Cheaply Chic. And I just love this image so much that I copied it. I hope she doesn't mind. I mean, I'm not selling it or anything. This is just for my personal use. But she was the star of it, and the colors and everything came from this. I just used all kind of colors. I used some glass bead, dimensional paste on here, and lots of colors, background stamp and stuff. So I really like how it came out, and I hope you do too. And if it comes out backwards, I don't know what's going on with the camera then. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all later. Don't forget to go visit Jackie, who is CraftieJjNewton, and Pat Kuhn, and visit their channels and show them some YouTube love. Thank you so much. You still have plenty of time if you want to enter. It just has to be postmarked by July the 1st, and I will probably draw somewhere maybe a day or two after the 4th. But you still have plenty of time to get it in if you want to join. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good evening, and I will see you all tomorrow with my keto living video. And then starting on Monday, I will be starting back with our daily devotions. Talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.